So good evening students. So in the previous class, that means previous video, we have seen the nomenclature for polyfunctional groups. So now in this video we will see the nomenclature for substituted benzene compounds. So the previous video link I will give in this video description, you can go through it. So substituted benzene compound. Substituted benzene compound means generally benzene with some substituent on it. So this ring is called benzene. Without that CH3, that ring is called benzene. That means if we have this kind of ring, this is benzene. The formula is C6H6. So carbons are available everywhere. This is carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. That means 6 carbons are available. These 6 carbons, and each carbon one hydrogen will be available like this. Hydrogens we do not have to show on this chain ring compound. So everywhere one hydrogen is available. Here also one hydrogen. So totally 6 carbons and 6 hydrogens on this hexagon with 3 double bonds. This is one double bond, one double bond, one double bond. So this is benzene. On this benzene, instead of one hydrogen here, one CH3 is there. So that is called methyl benzene because it is methyl group. That is methyl benzene. If instead of methyl group, OMe and Me means a methyl group. CH3 O. So OCH3 or OMe, both are same. OMe, both are same. So here OMe is given. That means OCH3. So CH3 means methyl. OCH3 means methoxy. Methoxy. So it is methoxybenzene. It is methoxybenzene, and common name is anisole. Trivial name or common name, both are same. Trivial name. So here methyl benzene means trivial name is toluene. Here methoxybenzene means trivial name is anisole. Okay, and here if NH2 group is there, that is aminobenzene, and trivial name is, that means common name is aniline. So these names we need to remember. So we have to remember toluene, anisole, aniline, and this is nitrobenzene, single name. Nitro group NO2, and this is benzene, nitrobenzene, and this is bromobenzene. So bromobenzene, like that names are given for single substituted benzenes. If two substituents are there of the same type, here bromo is there, same bromo, same type. So if one bromo is first carbon, second bromo is second carbon, that is 1,2 dibromobenzene. It is 1,2 dibromobenzene, or this is also called ortho dibromobenzene. That means 1,2 dibromobenzene or ortho dibromobenzene, both are same. 1,2 dibromobenzene or ortho dibromobenzene, both are same. So ortho, totally we do not have to write, just simply small o if we write, O dibromobenzene means ortho dibromobenzene. Okay, and this is 1,3 dibromobenzene, or it is also called meta dibromobenzene. Okay, and this is 1,4 dibromobenzene, 1,4 dibromobenzene, or this is para dibromobenzene. So these are the namings for benzene compounds. 1,4 dibromobenzene or para dibromobenzene, both are same. 1,3 dibromobenzene or meta dibromobenzene, both are same. 1,2 dibromobenzene or ortho dibromobenzene, both are same. Okay. So like that we have to give the names for di substituted of the same kind on benzene ring. If more than 2 substituents are there, then we need to follow certain rules. More than 3 substituents are there. So here means more than two substituents. That means three. Here three substituents are there. So here chloro dinitro. Chloro means C. Alphabetical order we have to follow. Alphabetical order we need to follow. That means chloro C gets first number. And this nitro, this is fourth nitro. That means 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 dinitro benzene. 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 dinitro. This dinitro benzene is the name of the compound. It is not 4 chloro because alphabetical order chlorine comes first. So chlorine gets first number. So 1 chloro and lowest number side should be followed. That means clockwise direction we have to follow for numbering. Because clockwise direction nitro gets 2, anti-clockwise direction this nitro gets 6. So clockwise direction we have to follow. So this nitro gets second number, this nitro gets fourth number. So 1 chloro, 2 comma 4 dinitro benzene. Okay, and here when methyl group is there, that gets priority. So that gets the smallest number 1. So obviously chloro gets 2, nitro gets 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So while giving the numbering, methyl gets the first number, but while writing the name, alphabetical order we have to follow. That means second numbering, second carbon, chloro is there. So C comes first, then M, methyl. When chloro starts with C, methyl starts with M. So C comes first. That means 2 chloro, 1 methyl. After that N comes nitro. 4 nitrobenzene is the name. While giving the numbering, we have to give the preference to methyl because it is preferred group. But while writing, alphabetical order we have to write. That means chlorine. Okay, C and then M and then N. Okay, that is how the name is given for tri-substituted benzene, tri 3. And after that, this example is given where methoxy is given. Over methyl, methoxy is preferred. So obviously that gets first number. And after that chloro is there, fourth position methyl is there. So alphabetical order we have to follow obviously. 2 chloro, 4 methyl, anisole. So OCH3 means anisole. Here we have seen on benzene, if OCH3 is there here, OCH3, this compound, that is anisole. Methoxybenzene is also called anisole. So directly we can write anisole. Okay, and here ethyl group is there and amine group is there. Amine gets first preference because it is aniline system. On benzene ring, if NH2 is there, that is called aniline. Here you can see. If benzene ring NH2 is there, this compound, that is called aniline. So this system is aniline system, and on that aniline system, fourth position ethyl group is there, second position methyl group is there. So by following alphabetical order, 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, aniline is the name of the compound. Okay, and then this compound obviously OH gets the first preference, alcohol group, that means this is phenol group, and that gets first number. And third position methyl is there, fourth position methyl is there. That means 3 comma 4 dimethyl, it is phenol. If on benzene ring, if OH group is there, that is called phenol. This phenol. So on this phenol ring, here methyl group is there, here methyl group is there. So 3 comma 4 dimethyl phenol is the name of the compound. Okay, that is how for benzene rings, benzene compounds, we should give the names. And after that, we have some formula, problem. So write the structural formula of orthoethyl anisole. Orthoethyl anisole. Anisole means on benzene ring. This benzene ring, CH3 group is there. And ortho position ethyl is there. O ethyl. That means here ethyl group is there. CH2, CH3. So this is orthoethyl anisole. The same C2H5 or CH2CH3 both are same. C2H5 or CH2CH3 both are same. So this is the structure for orthoethyl anisole. And second one is para-nitroaniline. That means aniline means on benzene ring amine group is there. This is aniline. This is benzene ring NH2 group is there. Then it is called aniline. And para means fourth position. There NO2 is there, nitro group. So para-nitroaniline structure is this one. Okay. And C means here long chain is there. Long chain means benzene becomes phenyl. Benzene becomes phenyl ring. So we should not call benzene because it is on the long chain. If there is no long chain, that we call it benzene or aniline or anisole like that. But here on the long chain, this is the long chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Long chain is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane system is there. So on the pentane system, at the end, a phenyl group is there. And as third position, that means here one first carbon, this second carbon, this is third carbon, fourth carbon, this fifth carbon. Pentane system, fifth carbon. Okay, so second carbon and third carbon bromo are there, dibromo. So the name of the compound is 2,3 dibromo 1 phenyl. That means first carbon phenyl group is available. So 1 phenyl, it is pentane system, 5 carbons, pentane. Okay, and D, what is 4 ethyl 1 fluoro 2 nitro benzene. That means just write benzene ring and write fluoro here, fluoro compound here, fluoro, and to that fourth position write ethyl group. So to this fluoro, fourth position is this one, para position, ethyl C2H5, and second position write nitro group, second position write nitro group. So that is 4 ethyl 1 fluoro 2 nitro benzene, 1 fluoro 2 nitro benzene. Okay, alphabetical order we have to follow. E, F, N. That means 4 ethyl 1 fluoro 2 nitro benzene is the name of the compound. So this is what the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. And after that we have the topic isomerism. Isomerism. This isomerism we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.